In any given one-year period, 9.5% of the population, or about 20.9 million American adults, suffer from a depressive illness. For treatment, physicians often prescribe antidepressants due to their effect on a neurotransmitter in our brains called serotonin. Normal levels of serotonin contribute to feelings of well-being. It affects our mood, appetite, sleep, muscle contraction, and many functions of our brain, including memory and learning. Studies show that adequate vitamin B6 in our diet is necessary for the production of serotonin. And as we get older, we require even more. By no surprise, other vitamins play a big role in fighting depression too. A diet deficient in riboflavin, common among people over 50, can limit the function of vitamin B6. And the Food and Nutrition Board of the Institute of Medicine reports that a diet deficient in B12 can lead to depression and memory loss, and ultimately to disorientation and Alzheimer's dementia. Further, according to the American Journal of Psychiatry, women deficient in vitamin B12 were twice as likely to be severely depressed as non-deficient women. And in a study of both men and women with depressive disorders, 70% were more likely to experience depression than those with normal vitamin B12 status. Vitamin C is also critical to brain function and the production of energy in the senior adult. Specifically, vitamin C plays an important role in the synthesis of the neurotransmitter norepinephrine. This neurotransmitter is critical to brain function and is known to affect mood. Vitamin C is also a highly effective antioxidant. Even in small amounts, it can protect indispensable molecules in the body from damage by free radicals and reactive oxygen species. Adequate magnesium, usually deficient in senior citizens, is needed for human energy. ATP, the molecule that provides almost all of our energy, requires adequate magnesium to function properly. A national survey indicated that the average magnesium intake for men and women is significantly below the recommended dietary allowance. In addition to not getting enough magnesium in our diets, as we grow older, absorption of magnesium from our intestines is reduced, and urinary excretion of magnesium increases. Inordinate fatigue and loss of energy have also been reported with vitamin D deficiency. And it can worsen with time. As we age, we reduce our ability to synthesize vitamin D from the sun and are more likely to stay indoors or use sunscreen. The application of sunscreen with an SPF factor of 8, though important for skin care, also happens to reduce production of vitamin D by 95%. The mineral boron is also an essential nutrient. In addition to playing an important role in human brain function and mental performance, a boron-deficient diet causes increased loss of both calcium and magnesium. And adequate copper intake, often lacking in the elderly, is essential in maintaining normal energy production and brain function. Many people assume that we get adequate amounts of copper from the copper pipes in our homes, but this is not the case. Copper pipes develop a lining within a year of installation that prevents further leaching into the water supply. REQ49 Plus is the only multivitamin and mineral formula that aligns with the findings of thousands of peer-reviewed scientific journal articles to help prevent depression and abnormal fatigue, as well as immune dysfunction, muscle weakness, heart disease, dementia, depression, metabolic syndrome, cancer, arthritis, osteoporosis, and vision disabilities. These ailments usually take years to develop and can easily be dismissed as the normal result of aging. REQ49 Plus provides the critical nutrients to help prevent these conditions, significantly improving your quality of life. REQ49 Plus, precise balance for a healthier life.